Okay, for the robotics module, this is going to be home for us. For most of the stuff, this is where you're going to get a lot of your help files and tutorials and steal general ideas from. It's Lajos or Lajos, I think is how they probably would like it to be pronounced. Lajos, it's Java for Lego Mindstorms. And the first thing you've got to do, you can read through all the ins and outs on this site. There's not much to it, but the first thing you've got to do is you've got to flash your little robot brick using the NXJ drivers. And there's two ways of doing it. I've installed on all your machines. I think I've installed on all your machines the drivers, and there's two ways to get them. If you go to Start Programs, you should have something called, I don't know if you can quite see that on your screen, Lajos NXJ, and if you go to the Flash one, NXJ Flash, hit that one. Let me just move that over here, and if you it'll basically say plug in the brick, make sure it's switched on, and if you do, it'll say when your NXT is connected via USB and turned on, hit OK, and it should just go away and flash it. Basically say erase all the junk that was on there before, and it should just whir away and flash it and give you a lovely little tune at the end. And while it's doing that, I shall have a slurp of coffee and listen to the washing machine. And I don't know if you heard it just chirp there, but it's flashed it, and it's as simple as that. And once you've flashed it with the Java drivers, there shouldn't be any need to flash it again. And you can do, it'll just wipe everything on the brick for you. But that's basically all you need to do to get the Java drivers on the brick. If you can't find the little Windows software like this, you can actually do it via a driver. I'll show you exactly the same thing. If I was to go to where are we? What can I do? If I go to my computer. C and robotics. Robotics folder. If you go to the Lajos NXJ folder and go into the binary files, in there you should have something called nxjflash.bat. If you provided your brick is switched on and attached to your computer with a USB cable, you should be able to run this. And if I just move this over here, you'll see it's actually found the NXT device there, and it says to you basically select the device to update or enter 0 to exit. So if I select device 1, there's only one device mentioned there. If I select 1 and hit go, it'll do exactly the same thing as the Windows version. Give that a few seconds. Simple as that. That's all that's required, and once your brick has been flashed with the Java drivers, your brick's ready to take all the Java code that you can throw at it. That's it.